It's that time of year again, time to change your heater inside and to make the heater run much more efficiently. It's only going to take a moment. Make sure that you place the ladder safely. And Bob's going to demonstrate the correct changing of the heater filter. Okay, I'm going to be the extra pair of hands here, so let's come in and get the heater filter. Remove or move up the cover there. And you can see the old filter. Look how dirty that is, yuck. So it really doesn't take much. Bob, how much was this filter?
$2.
How much?
$2.
$2, and look at this brand new, nice, clean one. We're timing Bob today. Less than 1 minute so far. There we go. It's that simple. Make sure and take your old one with you to the hardware store if you're not sure the size. Remember, your home still is your biggest asset, and a little bit of preventive maintenance makes everything run better. For more tips, contact your real estate agent, Tiger Harrison, at 925-209-9411.